People that have untreated sleep apnea have a fourfold, that's 400% higher rates of heart attacks and strokes because of the sleep apnea. It's very hard on your cardiovascular system for your oxygen levels to be going up and down like this. And the other thing is that your brain fights going to sleep when you have sleep apnea because your brain
Mm.
knows you're going to have sleep apnea and it's dangerous for you. And so your brain will literally fight going to sleep, but we need sleep. So it'll eventually will, but it'll fight it. And so waking up at night, not being able to go to sleep, feeling tired during the day, these are all parts of sleep apnea. But then so is depression.